So we did a chopped event here today of 4 main food groups. So each group had some variation of rice, beef, green beans, and cranberries in all different forms, whether it's fresh, frozen, canned.
So I was paired up with Courtney and we had to go to the grocery store and we had a list that we had to get the ingredients to make a meal.
Incorporated some beef into our recipe naturally, and I got to work alongside someone I've never met.
We ended up making tacos with it.
I played it with enough time. I went for the direction that Jack and I talked about, and I couldn't have done it without Tyler. Tyler and I make a great team.
But it was really fun getting to work alongside someone that is their thing, that's what she's passionate about, that's what she loves doing.
I think the biggest thing I wanted them to get is they can be creative with whatever food options that they have available to them, and also understanding that each of those is just as nutritious as the other.
I feel like I lived out a partial dream of mine. It was so fun and so enjoyable.